Okay, we have a boat that's traveling 6 miles downstream in the same amount of time as it takes to travel 8 miles upstream. Okay. If the river current is 2 miles per hour, what is the speed of the boat? Actually, I think I got these numbers backwards because it should be able to go a little further downstream. So the boat's going to travel 8 miles downstream and then 6 miles upstream. All right, so the speeds are the same. The times are the same. So time is distance divided by speed. So the time going downstream is the same as the time going upstream, which would be the distances and the speeds. So going downstream, we know the boat went 8 miles. Going upstream, the boat went 6 miles. So those are the distances. We put that on top. Now, what about the speed? Okay. Well, downstream, you're traveling with the current. So if we let x stand for the speed of the boat, then downstream it's going to be sped up by whatever the river current is. And so if the river current is 2 miles an hour, the speed going downstream would be the speed of the boat plus 2 miles an hour. And then going upstream against the current, it would be the same speed of the boat minus 2 miles an hour. So now if we cross multiply, we have 8 times x minus 2, 6 times x plus 2. So 8x minus 16 equals 6x plus 12. Subtract the 6x from both sides, so that cancels here. So we're left with 2x minus 16 equals 12. Add the 16 over. So we have 2x equals 28. Divide by 2. So we get the x equals 14. So this tells me if there was no current, the boat would be traveling 14 miles per hour.